Rise and shine, my dear kids. Today, all your faces are brighter than the sun. To make your day more brighter, this is Parviz Sabri from Bardasana Matriculation High Secondary School. The topic which we are going to discuss today, I am not going to reveal it. You are going to find it out by my clues. Before going into the topic, the subject which we are going to deal today is EVS, the short form of environmental science. What is environmental science? Environmental science is nothing but the subject which we learn about ourselves and the things which is around us. It is known as environmental science. In that, we are going to see an interesting topic. What is it? Let me give you some clues. Where are you living? You all are living in your home, right? With whom you all are living? You all are living with your mother, father, brother, sister. Who are they? They all are your family members. So, all together you are making a family. The topic which we are going to deal today is my family. It is in standard 2nd, subject EVS, and the topic is my family. Let's see in detail about it. At the end of this section, you would have come to know about the types of families and the importance of the family. Let's go into it. What is the topic which we are going to deal today? It is my family. So, this is my family. Let's go to the next slide. Here I have an beautiful quote for you about a family. The love of a family is life's greatest blessing. So, the love which you have in your family is the greatest blessing of God. The person who is getting the complete love of a family is the luckiest person in this world. I have another slide related to this, that is our family. When you see it in a circle, it is the strength and love which we have among us. So, it is our family. It forms our family. Now, let's go into the topic. What is a family? Godwin, tell me, what is your family? Your family is nothing but parents and children. All together form a family. Parents and children together form a family. Some families are big and some families are small, but all our families are very special to us. Why it is very special to us? Because we spend a lot of time there and we get the bonding, love, care, affection, everything in our family. Hence, it is a very favorite and very special thing for us is our family. Family members share joys, sorrows with one another. When we feel very sad, we need a hand to support. It is given by our family members. Same way, when we are very joyful, we share it with our family members. So, joy, sorrow, both can be shared in a family. We have 3 types of families. The first one is nuclear or small family. Next is joint or big family. The third one is single parent family. Let's see one by one in detail. Nuclear family is nothing but father, mother and 1 or 2 children forms a nuclear family. The family is very small, hence it is also known as small family. See here, in nuclear family, who all we have children? We have father, mother, brother and sister. So, these 4 members join together and form a nuclear family or small family. Okay children, when you say mother, first let's see about father. Father. Who is a father? A father is a person who earns money for our family. He supports us financially and he fulfills all our needs. He is a father. Mother is a person, she is the greatest gift of God. Hence, mother from morning till night, she works the whole day, but even though she has a very smiling face when you are in a need. Hence, mother is a very wonderful creature in this world. Please children, have love and affection on your mother. She is working a lot. She is washing the vessels, she is washing your clothes, preparing food for you, helping you in your studies. So, she is working the whole day. Some mothers are going out for work. She is doing the outside work and also the work which is in your home. Hence, always love your mother and father so much, because the only creatures which love us without any expectation is our father and mother. They both are only loving us truly. So, you also love them very much. Fine children, brother or sister. Brother and sister are nothing, they are your siblings. The person who is born with you are your brother or sister. Now children, they are also known as sibling. The word, a particular word is used to tell that is sibling. Brother, father and sister, all together we can tell them as sibling. S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S, siblings. So, the brother or sister who is born with you is also known as siblings. Now, let us move on to the next type of our family. The next type of family is joint family or big family. In this family, we have lots and lots of family members. See here, whom all we will have in a joint family? We will have grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister, your uncle, aunt and your cousin. So, these many members join together and live in one house. It is known as joint family or big family. It is lots of fun to be in a joint family. We can learn many things from our grandparents. We will enjoy a lot by playing with our cousins. So, joint family is, living in a joint family is lots of fun. Here I have an interesting fact to show you, that is head of a family. Who is head of a family? Head of a family is nothing but the person who takes the important decision in a family. Now Divakar, who is the head of your family? Oh, your father, very good. Kavya, in your home? Your grandfather, very good, fine. So, a head of a family is nothing but the person who takes the important decision in a family is known as the head of a family. Actually, in nuclear family, father will be the head of a family, but in joint family, the grandfather or grandmother who is elder in their family will take the decision. Hence, they will be the head of a family. The next topic is, I have an interesting fact to show you. This is the biggest family in the world. Have you seen the biggest family in the world, children? This is the biggest family in the world. There are 181 members in this family. How big, right? Have you seen this picture before, children? Okay. This many people live in one house. How big the house must be? See here. So, this is the house of the biggest family in this world. How many members I have told you, children? There are 181 members living in a family. Children, in our holidays or in some occasions, our family members all join together, right? How much fun it will be to play with our cousins or to learn something from our grandparents, to hear stories from our grandparents. How fun it will be. Imagine 181 members living in a family. How much fun they will have, no children? So, if you get a chance, just go visit this family at least once in your lifetime. Children, then now let us move on to the next topic. Family tree. Do you know what is a family tree? A family tree is the pictorial representation of the different family members in a family. Fine. It is the pictorial representation of different family members in a family. I have two type of family trees to show you. So, this is the first type of family tree. In a family tree, your grandparents will be at first because they are the eldest in your family, hence they are seated in the first. Following them, you have your parents and your uncle and aunt. They are the children of your grandparents. After that, you have the small kids in your family, that is the children of your mom and dad and the children of your uncle and aunt. You are the youngest in your family, the cousin or your blood relation. Okay children, this is one type of family tree. There is another type of family tree. This is the another type to draw a family tree. You can even draw a family tree like this: grandparents, your father and mother, that is your parents, uncle, aunt, and this is your kids. Fine, your father and mother's children and your uncle and aunt's children. So, this is also a type of family tree. Now, let us move on to the next topic. Family is everything for us because family tree is everything for us. You should thank God for giving you a very beautiful family because there is many people in the world who don't have family. They are known as orphans. Fine children. So, family is everything for us. Please go thank God for giving you such a beautiful family. Family name is nothing but all the members share the common last name, that is known as family name or surname. It can also be known as surname. Okay children, for example, you have Amitabh Bachchan, his son is Abhishek Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan's wife is Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So, they three are having the same common name Bachchan. So, their family name is Bachchan. Same way in the world, many family will have common name after their name, that is known as family name or surname. It may be Roy or Smith, like this you will have a common family names. Caring for a family. You should at least eat one meal all together children. Why? Because eating a meal all together will have lots of love to share, to talk. You will spend lot of time together. It helps you to have a very beautiful bonding. Hence, you should at least eat one meal all together. Now you are in holidays. Try to eat all the 3 meals with your parents. It will create a very beautiful bonding between your parents. Next. Stay together and play and spend time playing with each other. You can even have time to play each other because if you when you are playing each other, you can learn many things from your parents. So, join together and play with your parents and grandparents. You will learn lot of exciting games. Don't keep on playing with your cell phone or keep on watching TV. It is very boring children. In olden days, we had many games to play. Go and learn it from your parents. It will be very interesting and exciting. Next. So children, sometimes we should go out for a walk together. So with your parents, have the habit of going for a walk daily. Now in this holidays, you have more and more leisure time. Hence, you can utilize it by going for a walk out. By going for a walk, you can learn many new things and also enjoy the beauty of the nature. Diyashri, are you ready to go for a walk? So, this evening take your parents and go for a walk. Next. All family members help each other at home. I told before itself that your mother is doing a very tiresome job from morning till evening. Not till evening, after evening till night she is doing all the house work, right? So, she will be very tired. So, help her in many ways so that she will feel very happy. In your holidays, you can try cooking simple things so that you will learn new and exciting things. Not only cooking, you can also help your mother by washing the dishes. So, you can help your mother by washing the dishes after every meal, so that your mother can relax a little bit. Next, morning when you get up, you can make your beds by yourself. It is also a way of helping your mother. When you get up, if you see that place, the place will be very untidy, no children. So, when you make your beds, the place looks tidy and neat. So, hereafter make your bed yourself every morning. You can help your mother by folding the clothes and arranging it in the cupboards. Okay children, you can also help your mother by folding the clothes and arranging it in the cupboards. After washing the clothes, it is a very big task to fold it and keep in the cupboard. So, you can help your mummy in doing this, so that your mummy will give you more and more of affection and love. You can also clean your house daily. When you clean your house daily, your house looks very neat. So, I have a slide to show you the importance of a family. A person owns family is without doubt the greatest wealth that we will ever possess. I told you in the beginning of the section, the person who is having a beautiful family is the luckiest person in the world. So, if you have a beautiful family, and when your family members help each other, you are the luckiest person in your world. Kanishka, understood my dear? Next, treasure every moment and take the time to ensure that the story you create is the one that you will be proud of and look back on with a huge smile. So, the time which you spend with your family, it creates the beautiful memories within you. When after some days, when you look back, there will be very beautiful memories for you with your family members. You can have the lots and lots of fun with your family members. So, children, I hope you would have understood the importance of the family and the bonding between your family members. In the below description, we have attached the PPT, question bank, question paper for you. Please utilize it and do your self-test and send it to the school WhatsApp group. So, ma'am is going to give you an activity. Ma'am has created a model of a family tree. You also try creating your own family tree and send the pic to our school WhatsApp group. Thank you.